doing it. But the easiest way to get to the demo site is to just go to the blog and click on the Oscar 14 demo site, and up comes this screen, which is uh, the we call it a splash screen or the entry screen. And in the top left corner, you can see that there's boxes to type in. In the middle of the screen, it actually tells you the username to use, Oscar Doc. The password is right there. The password is Mac 2002. That's when they started the Oscar project. That's how long it's been around in Troubleshoot. But .14 is the version that we're now using. So Mac 2002.14. Don't click the sign in button yet. Go to the third box, second level passcode, and type in 1117, and then click sign in, and you will get this screen, which is Oscar running the way it's supposed to run. To get into the gist of it, we're not. Oscar is a complete electronic health record. It's got all kinds of things. It runs the complete clinics at McMaster University. Over 100 physicians use it at one time, 50 residents, many more medical students, all accessing it, and it runs pretty much flawlessly. Used at McGill and Queens in the same environment. Oscar is the third most popular, most used electronic health record in both Ontario and BC. And remember, that's without any sales staff. So it's got a pretty amazing rate. To get to it, that little Oscar interface in the top left corner, you click to it, and lo and behold, you go directly into the appointment scheduler. If you need to add someone, just click on a time. The screen will come up. You can search if it has Joe Blow. We'll type in Blow here. Go search, and it says no one was found with that name. You can create a demographic, and you can just go, and we just expand the screen a little bit and go. I think all we got to do of all this that we got to do is, notice I've done it in small. It's going to change it to caps. Put in some type of a year. Let's go 1966 for fun. And then literally down at the bottom, we just simply say add a record and add the appointment. As soon as we've done that, an appointment shows up for Joe Blow. It corrects my typing and puts capital letters at the start. And what we need to know to get into the I-form is click on EF. You click on EF, and up comes the Oscar 14 screen. To get into the I-form, simply click Modify, and there, top left corner, I click Basic Optometry Screen, and we have the screen. The screen is built with the following features. You can type anything you want in, but for all the fields that are data fields, if you enter acuity and you like 6 metric acuity, you can have that, or if you like 20/20 acuity, you can have that. When we go to near acuity, guess what? It's there, or if you like, big fan of Logmar, you can put in Logmar. Everything is there for you. BV right now is just under development, but it's an open field. Type what you want. I want to say that the Oscar form that originally comes from us from ophthalmology is like that BV screen is, and we're going to show you how quickly we change it. Where we go away from the single click technology is if everything's negative in external health, we just click negative and it types it all in, and we can expand that field. It's limitless how big this field is, and you can type anything else, any other comments you want. That's all allowable. But what's really cool, and this idea is Robert Burke's idea, if you want to click in detail, we simply click on the location, specify what that location is. It could be the cornea, the anterior chamber, or the lens in that location. So you click cornea and click view the name and description. Let's say it's going to be an epithelial problem, and it's clouding and a gradle at 2+. There we have it. Close, and we can view our results, and it's typed everything we want in. That's really as simple as this process is. Click anywhere outside of the screen, and it disappears. So